And I really find this moment to be magical, and it's part of the reason we have an open kitchen, is when you see someone take a bite of something and their eyes get big, they get quiet, and they offer it to the person in front of them. Because that means we succeeded at getting them to want to stop and say, oh my God, this is so tasty, you need to try it. I'm Chef Shachi, and I am partner, executive chef, and founder of ADYA Fresh Indian Flavors here at the Packing House. Our focus is Indian street food, and that's been our focus since we started on day one. The word ADYA is a Sanskrit word. It means the first or the original, and that's really become part of our identity. So I actually went to school pre-med, but from a very young age, I decided I wanted to be a doctor, and I ended up working for a doctor, and I just looked at him one day and knew that I would never be as happy as he was. It led me to recognize and realize that my real passion, my real love is food. Honestly, I didn't know how many people watch Chopped. It's just not something that I would have imagined that I would have done, let alone won. Now we're 3 years on from that episode, and people email me, people stop and say, are you the one that won Chopped? This is always the hardest question anyone asks any chef. Well, goat cheese naan, because I love cheese and I love naan. I'm gonna say pani puri because I put it on the menu when we opened as one of those memory dishes. I have to say chicken tikka masala. And to me, it's the best chicken tikka masala you can get. The act of sitting together and sharing something, right? And I think that's really what brings people together around food. If you have an unsolicited response to it, that's good food.